If you want to get a British accent in ElevenLabs, this quick guide will show you exactly how to find and save the right voice for future use. And if this video helps, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. First, log into your ElevenLabs account and look at the left-hand menu. Click on Voices to open the voice settings area. Once you're in the Voices section, select the Explore tab. This is where you can browse the full voice library and discover different options for your projects. Next, choose the language you want to work with, then click the accent filter. From there, select your desired British accent style. This helps narrow down the voice library so you can quickly find voices that match the sound you're looking for. After that, browse through the available voice cards until you find one that fits your needs. When you found the right voice, click Add to My Voices. This saves the voice to your personal collection, so you can easily access it again later without searching all over again. Once it's added, you'll be able to find that voice anytime in the future and use it in your next generations. So that's the simple way to get a British accent in ElevenLabs and save it for later. If this tutorial was useful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.